Tomato ketchup is one of the most popular condiments, and I think it is your favorite too. But do you know how your favorite tomato ketchup is made in factory? Today in this video, we'll see how to make tomato ketchup in factory. The journey of making tomato ketchup starts with planting these tiny tomato plants. Advanced transplanting machines are used to plant tomatoes rapidly and accurately. After transplanting, it takes 50 to 60 days to reach harvest. When the tomatoes are ripe, they are harvested using advanced machines that carefully separate raw and ripe tomatoes. The harvested tomatoes are then transported to the factory. At the factory, the quality of the tomatoes is checked before they are proceeded for unloading. The unloading process of tomatoes is very interesting. Here, water flow is used to unload tomatoes from the container and move them to the conveyor belt. This is because water flow is a safe way to unload tomatoes without breaking or squeezing them. After unloading, the tomatoes are transferred to a freshwater container using a conveyor belt. In this container, the tomatoes are purely washed to remove any dirt or debris. The tomatoes are then transferred to the factory for the manufacturing process. In the next process, tomatoes are boiled to peel. Boiling tomatoes lose their skin. Then the boiled tomatoes are passed through an automatic peeling machine that looks like a conveyor belt. There are rotating rollers installed throughout the conveyor belt, and each of the rollers rotate against each other, due to which the tomato peel gets separated from the tomato and falls down. After being peeled by the automatic machine, it is also checked manually to ensure that each tomato is peeled completely. Then in the next process, the tomato juice and seeds are separated using pulping machine. Tomato juice and seeds are filtered for further use in tomato ketchup. The tomatoes were also chopped into small pieces during pulping. Then chopped tomatoes are grinded in this machine and made into a paste. Now this paste is packed in crates for mass production. After transported the crates in small factories, it is opened and inserted into the machine, where these giant rolling pins squeeze the paste out of the package. After the paste has been extracted, it is mixed with water to give it a smoother consistency. After that, it is transported into the storage tank, where important ingredients are added to create the flavor. Ketchup is made of 5 ingredients: sugar, vinegar, tomato paste, brine, and secret spices. After adding these ingredients, ketchup is mixed by heating and then cooling it down. Now ketchup is prepared for bottling. But before bottling any ketchup, the quality of ketchup is checked through this tool, which is called quantifier. Using this tool, the viscosity of tomato paste is checked, for which a certain amount of ketchup is put inside the quantifier. Then it is released and measured how fast the ketchup travels in 10 seconds. As a result, the viscosity of tomato ketchup is 10.5, which is acceptable. Usually ketchup does not move faster than 0.028 miles per hour. Now ketchup is completely ready for bottling. The machine has multiple filling heads, so bottles are filled effectively and efficiently. After filling bottles, caps are placed. for which a number of caps are inserted into the machine, and the machine automatically adjusts the position of the cap to fit it. Putting lid is done rapidly through this automatic machine. After packing the ketchup in bottles, now it is the turn of labeling. The automatic machine are used to complete the labeling task quickly. After labeling, the primary packaging of tomato ketchup is done, and then the secondary packaging for mass production. After that, the tomato ketchups are released in the market for customers. Finally, after so many processes, your favorite tomato ketchup reaches to your dishes. I hope you have got some knowledge from this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. We will see you in the next video.